All right, I got the Vanpo digital torque screwdriver, and I'm going to show you what you get with this. Then I'll flip the camera around and show you how the display works. This was sent to me so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. So first of all, it comes in a really nice hard plastic case, which is pretty durable. Got a couple little clasps on here. You lock it down, and I think this is going to stand the test of time. Holds up pretty well. So when we open this up, we have a set of directions in here. Obviously, the tool comes with it, and it comes with a little screwdriver here so that you can replace the batteries on the back or put the batteries in. It actually comes with the batteries too, and there's a little slot in here if you wanted to keep extra AAAs in here. Take these two screws out, put AAA batteries in, and you're good to go. And it comes with a little bit set. You got some Phillips heads, some flat heads, some Torx bits, square ones on there. All right, let's go through this thing and then we'll test it. When you want to turn it on, you got the C button. It's the power button and the cancel button. And a couple things about this. It has a nice rubber grip on here, so it feels good in your hand, nice and ergonomic. It feels like it's balanced pretty well. When you put the bit in, it actually retracts. So we'll put a, just to show you, we'll put a Phillips head bit in here, and it just locks in there, and it can't, you know, it stays in place until you pull this back, you retract this, and then you can pull the bit out. So that's kind of cool. On here, we've got different unit readings. Right now it's in inch pounds. We've got foot pounds, kgcm, and newton meters. So in the inch pound setting, we can see that it goes all the way up to 53.10 inch pounds, and you can, you know, adjust that for the other different settings, and it goes all the way down to 2.66 inch pounds. You adjust it with these up and down arrows right here. You can see if I press and hold it, it'll go up to the 4 and then jump by 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's adjust this to 5 inch pounds. If we want to store this, it has 6 different memory settings on here. So I've got it on memory 1 right there. I can press this and hold it, and it locks it at memory 1. Turn it off. When I turn it back on, it'll automatically come back to the memory setting that it was on, which is memory 1. And at this point, when you turn it on, you can cycle through all the different memory settings. I want to torque this screw to 5 inch pounds. I want to show you what's going to happen here. As you torque it, it's got audible signals and visual signals. So you'll see a green light appear, a second green light, and then a red light when it gets close. So I'm just going to go ahead and torque it down until I get it close. And as I do, I'll spin this around so you can see the display. Getting close. You can see it's getting close. 1, 2, right there. So got it set to 5 inch pounds, and that's basically it. That's it. When you're done, just press the C button, hold it, powers it off. I believe it has a timer on it too. It'll time out after a certain number of minutes, so you don't have to worry about it if you leave it on. So this would be great, obviously, for anything that requires a torque rating, maybe a bicycle, an electric scooter, machinery, firearms even. Anything where you have to torque down to a certain, you know, newton meter, inch pound, foot pound, and so forth. But yeah, pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a digital torque screwdriver, check out this one by Vanpo. Check it out.